Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I still am looking at this as possibly being a wave 5, but I still do not see that the wave 5 is over. There's really nothing stopping this from going up and making a new high before it really does actually go down, ending this wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, especially with this shape right here, looks like a 1, 2, 3. Seems to me like if anything, this would be a wave 4 and potentially go back up for a wave 5. Then if it goes down and breaks structure, that's what's going to convince me that this wave 5 is over, and that's what would turn me into a seller, because at that point I think it would probably go down and take out the wave 4 on the monthly time frame. But until then, definitely still bullish. Going down to the daily time frame, we definitely had a very impulsive move down. I would think, based on Elliot wave, that this would be either an A or a 1, and that this move up would be either a B or a 2, and potentially it would bounce off a fib level and go down for a wave C. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on here. If I do see that double top 3, 4, 5 shape with a nice clear break of structure, I would definitely start going short, because that would prove to me that this is a B or a 2. But I would have to see something pretty convincing before I would start looking for shorts, because I do think that there's probably a better chance that this is just going to bounce from a fib, not break structure, bounce, not break structure, and just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. To me, it kind of looks like a 1, 2. It looks like this is a 3, a 4, and we're probably in a wave 5 of wave 5 on the weekly and the monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely no reason to think this is over. And we're also not even at a Fibonacci level, so I would definitely still be looking for longs. I mean, if it does make that 3, 4, 5 shape and then break structure at a fib level, that would turn me into a seller. But if I do not see that picture, or until I see that picture, I would continue to look for longs. It could just bounce from fib levels and just keep on making higher lows and just keep on going up, which I am definitely leaning towards. That is the most likely scenario. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, based on my higher time frame analysis, I am 100% doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see, especially on these yen pairs, because we have to keep in mind this is at least a 4-year uptrend. I am definitely not trying to identify the end of a 4-year uptrend, but instead I'm just going to enjoy the 4-year trend. This 4-year trend could potentially turn into a 5-year trend or a 6-year trend. We don't really know. So instead of fighting the trend is my friend, and I will just continue to look for longs at the end of every pullback I see for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all the swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by joining at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.